I'm going to show you how to do telekinesis. Why is this important, you're going to tell me? This is vitally important because you can use this in your everyday life to manifest, to heal people, to do whatever it is that you need to do. But before I get into this, push a subscribe here, and also I recommend you hit the little bell icon. That way you get notified every time I go live or upload a video. Okay, so back to the topic. So no matter what you have heard when you were growing up, that it is impossible to do, or science says this and science says that, let me tell you something. There are many, many people that are actually doing this, okay? And I'm one of them. Yes, you heard me. But I do it just for the sake of, being an energy master. Because in order to be an energy master, you need to do everything, okay? From telekinesis to healing to, you got to master energy, plain and simple. I know some of you that requested this video are going to be very happy for that you finally found this video, okay? So I'm going to start off by saying again that you can use this in every area of your life to heal others, to heal your pet, to heal your plants, to attract whatever it is that you want to attract, okay? It is this powerful. So in order to do this, you will take one deep breath from your nose inside, like as deep as it can go, okay? Just fill up your chest, fill up your your whole upper body filled with air. Now when you exhale through your mouth, you're going to exhale, and you want to exhale fully as much as possible. All right, now from here you are going to feel instant calmness. The idea of this is for you to actually feel in a meditative state. If you need to do it a second time, so be it. If you need to do it a third time, so be it. Just be nice and calm, okay? From there, you are going to go to the video that I had, okay, about the aura. If you haven't seen it, go back and see it. Otherwise, the aura that I was talking about, I want you to close your eyes and I want you to picture this aura just growing, okay? It's an energetic bubble. Just let it grow. That's energy, all right? Now, the minute you have done this, okay, what you want to do is you simply want to see some kind of an object around you. In this case, I have my aloe drink right here, my aloe peach. And what I'm doing with it is I'm just looking at it. Okay, and as I'm looking at it, you want to put your hand, it could be a glass, it could be anything you want. As you put your hand towards it, scan it, you're going to feel energy, either a magnetic pull or it's going to repel you, or whatever the case might be. So what you want to do, you want to see your hand, okay, engulfed in a bright white light. Just see that bright white light covering your whole hand, okay? Let it shine, let it become big, let it be bright. From there, what you want to do, you want to simply try to move this cup. If it helps, you can see this cup in an energetic form. You can see it as a light as well. You don't need to see it as a cup. As you are trying to, let's say, push, the key here is do not force it. You need to see it in your mind's eye clearly, very, very clearly. And if you want to repeat to yourself, by all means do it. Whatever I can imagine happens, okay? So whatever you're imagining happens. You see this light pushing, okay, towards the cup in this case with aloe in it. And as you see it pushing it, you also see it moving, okay, in the direction that you want it to move. I suggest you start with something smaller, just for training purposes, because your mind is automatically, through conditioning, going to say this is impossible, it's too heavy, it's too big, okay? But in reality, whether it's something small or something big, it does not matter. It's all energy, and it all depends on how much focus you have. You have to be totally focused, totally clear. Your intention must be clear. You must shut everything else out and just see this happening, okay? Now, you can do this with your hands, or you can do it with my favorite method, just simply putting an object across from you a few feet away and simply observing this object for a few minutes until you feel a connection. And as you are observing this object, what you want to do is you want to see it in your mind's eye as if it's happening right now. If you want to push it backwards, see it going backwards. If you want to move it forwards, see it moving forwards. Your brain is going to try to play tricks on you. It's going to tell you that you are a fool. It's going to tell you that this doesn't happen. It's going to tell you this is nonsense. It's unscientific. It's going to try to come up with a million different things. You know why? Because it's been conditioned to do so. Okay? But you are not your brain. You are above that. You are the one that's observing what your brain is talking about. You are the one observing those thoughts. So forget about those thoughts and focus on what you want to do. Okay? Again, vitally important, you must be as calm as possible. Okay? Like literally in a meditative state, calm. You must be calm. Even when you are focusing on the object to move it, you do not use force. You just simply see it as if it's already been happening in front of you right there. You see it happening. Now, it's not going to happen right away. Okay? If it does, kudos to you. You are one of a kind. But you need to practice this. The more practice you do, the better you will become. It is like building a muscle. Okay? Let's say you went to the gym. You didn't start, hitting a plate or two plates. For those of you that go to the gym, you know what I'm talking about. Right off the bat, right? You started slowly. Why? Because your muscles needed to grow. They needed to build. You build them through resistance. The same thing. You are practicing your focus, your intention. You are practicing your visualization, what you want out of this. Like, how do you want this object to move? As you focus on it, okay, your mind becomes stronger. Your powers become stronger. You will quickly realize that you can do things that are remarkable. You can make things fall from great distances. Yes, you know why? Because again, distance is an illusion. A lot of people like to perform telekinesis close by. That's a different form. They are using their, let's say, their energy within their body. Whether it's magnetic or electric, doesn't matter, you know what I mean? Because yes, we do have electricity in our bodies. So there's various ways to do it. What I'm talking about is you simply focus on something from the distance. You can practice on all these, whether it is close or whether it is far. The close, of course, because let's say you want to heal somebody after you practice this for a while, you can simply practice and sending this energy to them. In that case, you would see this white light penetrating their body, right, and healing them. And you would see that light just growing within their body. So the same thing when you see something and you want to move it, you see it happening. You feel it happening as if it's happening now in the present moment. You're not going to say things like, I will move it. No, you've already lost the game. It is moving right now. Okay? Practice, 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 practice. That is the key. Just like when you were a baby and you started, crawling and then, slowly learning how to stand and then walking and then running. It's the same principle. Slowly but surely you are moving in the right direction. Practice, focus, laser focus, be calm. In a meditative state, take deep breaths, breathe. Breathing is key because you're moving energy. By the way, As you are doing this, it is also imperative that you move energy around you from the bottom of your feet all the way through your head. How? You breathe in, out, in, out. See this energy circulating around your body because you are moving energy around you. Leave me some comments. I know some of you that requested this video are gonna love it. If you want more videos like it, please let me know. Love and light, no matter what you do, be the greatest you, and always, always shine bright. Yes, you are this powerful. Bye for now.